Hello guys, you are seeing One Man channel and this is Vamsi Krishna. If you are interested in learning 3D lighting or painting, please click a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Today's video is about how to extract the object, how to extrude the object, and combine the two objects or separate the two objects. I'm going to tell you each part individually. Okay, let's take a cube. Yeah, let's scale it. Let's go into phase and select a phase. If you want to separate this phase from this object, what you should do is shift right click and go to the extract phase and release it. Then what happened here is this phase is separated from the whole cube. So we can move that. Can move that, or we can scale that separately. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. If you want to extrude a face, what you have to do is select a face, and click here. This is extrude. Yeah, arrows will appear like this. Press on R, scale it, and press G to repeat the same command what you did before. G. The extrude will appear again. Click on the arrow mark and move it. This is called extrude. This is called extrude. If you want to combine two objects, these two objects into one object, and what you have to do is select both the objects with shift and dash here, combine. The objects will become one. Now, it's not two objects, it's one object. If you want to separate these objects, what you have to do is go again to the mesh and click on separate. It will separate the objects. Smoothing. I'll explain smoothing to you. 3 is a smooth mode. If you click 3 while selecting this object, it will smooth the object. It will smooth the object. And press 1 to revert back to the original. This face is still separated, so what you have to do is it's not attached. What happened here? Let's delete this face and go to the edge, double click it, so it will select all the edges in the loop. Shift right click and go to fill hole. It will fill the hole. Now it's an object. If you want to smooth it, but we don't want it to overly smooth it. So we have to add an edge loop to these objects. So press shift right click and go to insert edge loop. Okay. This type of cursor will appear. Click on the edge and drag it to the corner. I like this. Click on the object and drag it to the corner. And just leave a small space. So in that only it will smooth. Place it on every edge you see. Here, here it is placed here as well. Here as well. Now, top and bottom. Okay. Now you press 3 on. Now you press 3 on the keyboard. See, it is smooth, but it's not overly smooth. If you want the same thing to happen, but you don't want to place an edge loop, what you have to do is Control D to duplicate and press 1 to make it normal. And press here. It's smooth. What the difference between these two? If you see here, this face has around 9 faces, but this cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 faces. So the mesh will increase and it will slow down your system. So prefer this one over this one. If your system is more faster and if you want your mesh to look good, and this is what you can do. But I prefer this over this one. We have so much control on this one than this one, because we can place the edge loop however we want, but we can't control this type of smoothing. It will generate automatically. So I prefer this one. Okay, this is the class for today. Tomorrow we are going to do a wardrobe. We are going to build a monitor, table, books, and a cupboard. That's what we are going to do tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye.